We'll guide you through how to make letterhead in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create professional-looking letterheads for business or personal branding. Start your Illustrator application. Then go to the menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, select New to create a new document. You will get new windows with preset selection. From that selection, choose the print category and select letter size. Then click Create to open your canvas. Begin designing your letterhead by adding essential elements such as your logo, company or brand name, address, and other relevant details. Place your logo at the top left corner of the page and adjust its size so it appears proportional and visually balanced. Next, change your tool to the Text tool and left-click on the top side of the canvas to begin typing your company or brand name. After entering the text, select your desired font and adjust the size until it looks proportional to the logo, and change the color if needed to match your branding. Then left-click again on the top right side of the canvas and start typing your company information, including your address, phone number, and email. Adjust the position and size of this text so it aligns neatly with the rest of the design. To enhance the layout, add another element using the Line tool and draw a line under your header section to create a clear separation between the letterhead and the main content area. You can also use a combination of color and shape to introduce another visual element that complements your design. For example, by using the Rectangle Shape tool, add a rectangle at the bottom of the letter to create a balanced and professional look. Once all elements are arranged properly and aligned, your letterhead design is complete. Review the spacing between each element carefully to ensure consistency and readability across the page. Make small adjustments to margins, alignment, and proportions so that no part of the design feels crowded or uneven. If necessary, return to any text or shape and refine its size or placement to improve the overall balance. Consider maintaining a clean and minimal style so the letterhead remains professional and easy to read when printed or shared digitally.